Hello again, diamond lovers. This is Teresa from Troy Shop Jewelers in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. The ring I'm showing you today is a beautiful custom designed piece by David. It's 18 karat white gold. It's an antique style ring that has a 1 carat treated yellow round brilliant cut diamond in the center, as well as 60 diamonds on the sides and shoulder, which total 0.667 carats. The side diamonds are all ideal cut by Hearts on Fire, SI to VS in clarity, G to I in color. This is a beautiful ring. It also has a sizing bar at the bottom so it can be sized, no problem. If you would be interested in this ring or any of our other beautiful designs or some of our amazing diamonds, please let us know at calgarydiamonds@troyshopjewelers.com.